How to log into Citi mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Citi mobile app. So for that, you want to first of all install, head over to your respective app store, type in Citi Group app on the search bar and install the app to the latest version. Also make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. So once the application is completely installed, you then want to click onto the open button. As you click on the open button, click on accept to read the terms and condition. So first thing first, you'll be prompted to enter in your credentials or the login information. Right now, if you don't have an account and want to create one, you click on the register at the bottom. But since you already have an account, so type in your user ID and then the password associated with your account. And to double check your credential, you will click onto the I button right in the corner and click on sign on, and you'll have successfully logged into your Citi mobile app. So that's how you should be able to log in. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.